Kaway-kaway mo diha. Darin dayo, palang mo yun. Kuha ko rin. Magmumukbang kami ng Merry Christmas and a Happy New Year. Like, share, and comment. Hit that notification bell so that you can follow my next vlog. Ayan ang fish.